Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact chat that contains the View Once photo, then tap the image to reveal it. It displays one time only. Pay attention. WhatsApp intentionally blocks reopening and saving to protect privacy, so act while it's visible. If you anticipate needing a permanent copy, immediately ask the sender for explicit permission to save or resend as a regular image. Once done, respect privacy. Don't keep or share the image without consent. If the one-time view isn't enough, tell the sender what you need and why, and request a regular resend. Once the sender removes the View Once restriction and sends a standard image, you can save it to your gallery or back it up. Alternatively, ask for permission to take a screenshot while you view it. Make sure they explicitly consent, because privacy expectations matter. If they agree, take the screenshot immediately, then confirm they are okay with you keeping that copy. Once you have a non-View Once image, save it straight to your gallery, and if needed, enable WhatsApp Media auto-download so future images save automatically. Then perform a cloud backup, Google Drive or iCloud, so the file is preserved across devices. If you can't open a View Once photo at all, first update WhatsApp and restart the app. If that fails, ask the sender to resend the image normally. Troubleshooting tip: always get sender.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.